In this tutorial, we're going to take our matte painting that we just created using AI tools back into After Effects and composite it together. So here's where we left off. I did forget one thing. I forgot that we painted out all these people over here. So when we turn off this layer, they're going to come back because this layer is going to be gone. So instead of doing that, I'm just going to take this layer that we painted them on, use my lasso tool. I'm going to create a selection here. And I'm just going to mask that out like that. So all of this is going to sit on top of the video file that we're going to have inside of After Effects. So I'm going to go to File, come down to Save. It's going to save it at the original place that it came out of After Effects. I'm going to go back into After Effects, go to where my project was saved. This is the one that came from After Effects that we worked on inside of Photoshop. I'm just going to drag and drop it in as a composition with editable layers and click OK. So now what I need to do is I need to create a composition that is the size of the image that I'm working with, but I kept what I didn't do is I didn't enlarge everything to like 4K. I had everything at 1920 by 1080. I made our original image small, so it'll stay 1920 by 1080. But if you did happen to keep it where it was and enlarge it to like 4K, you're gonna have to start with a 4K image and then work that way. So, but for us, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this composition that we have, like this, and then we're going to bring in the completed version of this plate, the one that we have our people painted out of, and we're going to put that on top of everything, which makes it look like we just started over. But that's okay, because I'm going to hit T for transparency or opacity, bring that down to about halfway, and I'm going to resize this image, hit down S for scale, and I'm going to resize this image to about where it needs to be, and then move it around until it fits inside of this image perfectly where it needed to be, which was about right there. So now I can take my transparency and bring it all the way up, and then move this layer to the bottom, where now it's seen behind all of this matte painting that we just had. You might need to nudge it around and make sure that it's actually sitting where it needs to. I feel like I'm a little bit off up there. It's about right there. I'm looking right here at where the painting is. And so you can nudge it around until it fits perfectly over there. But it's something like that. Okay? Now I'm going to set an out point by hitting the N for beginning. Remember B and N. And if I hit play, it's going to play. And now I have my beautiful enlarged view. It doesn't have anybody running in it. It doesn't have anybody in the background. I've got this neat set extension. I got this huge rock because I need it. I feel like it's kind of overpowering my scene just a little bit. But that's kind of the problem that we had because of the plate. So we went from here. Actually, we went from here with these people running to here relatively easily using the same tools that we've been working on inside of Photoshop and inside of After Effects. So I hope that you have these brand new tools and you can do these awesome new things. Look forward to seeing all your cool creations. Have fun with it. And I think that's the last of the tutorials for this one. Thank you.